Good morning, Wednesday, March 7. I bet it was really hard to do schoolwork yesterday when it was so beautiful outside. I just kept looking outside going, I want to be out there. So I can only imagine it was hard for you guys too. But we have school till 3 o'clock today, so we'll get into it. Hey, here's my devotion that I had last night, and I thought I wanted to share it with you. Beloved, do not forget this one thing, that with the Lord 1 day is as 1,000 years, and 1,000 years is as 1 day. I was thinking, oh my goodness, so the virus is lasting how long here? And if 1 day is like 1,000 years, this has to be going on for God forever with God. Okay, but I doubt that's how it works. Anyway, what things has God done that that are totally different from what you thought? I was making a list of some things that are totally different. Pandemic. Um, and then I was thinking, there's some people that are still gathering in crowds. Why isn't everybody wanting to pray? I don't understand why we're hearing so much about the bad things, but when 9/11 happened, everybody was in churches, everybody was praying. So I'm waiting, holding on that God's going to use this for his glory. So what things has he done different? I just would have thought people would have realized that God is bigger than this. He could calm a storm. He can do anything. So I'm just kind of a little bit sad about that. So anyway, that's my one thing that's different. So let's go here. Oh, today we're talking about the space age. 397 in your books. You don't actually need to go to your book, but there's a cool picture of Sputnik in your book. So in 1957, the superpowers began a space race. The Soviet Union stunned the world by launching the world's first space satellite. There's the picture of it on page 397. It was like 4 feet across or something. I forget, but it weighed 184 pounds. It circled the Earth every 96 minutes. What freaked us out about that, well, I'll go back to reading. They sent Sputnik into orbit around the Earth. This meant that the Soviet Union had a missile powerful enough to reach the United States. American scientists raced to launch a satellite. Congress set aside billions of dollars for space research. Okay, you're going to stop here. You're going to watch a video, and then I also attached a primary source. You'll need to submit the answers to the primary source back to me for a grade. So go out of this and go back to your stream and do both activities, and they'll be due by Thursday. You know, Thursday, Friday. Friday is Good Friday. We don't have school, but if you're feeling a little overwhelmed, you can hand that in late. I'm pretty flexible these days. All right. Okay, see you tomorrow, guys.